don't know. I don't know, but I certainly want to make sure I start taking as many pictures and videos as possible. This is some crazy shit right here. If we put a little ass shower in this one. Crazy ass steps. Garage. Crawl space in the garage. No need to see all that. Let's turn this power back off. Like I'm a fucking electrician. And multiple entrances to the garage. Still left the garage door up. Another entrance. And this goes back to the first floor. This is the back side of the kitchen. Another bathroom. Bedroom on the side of the kitchen. These weird spaces. Back to the first floor. Door. Up to the second floor. This is going to become the master. Miss Taisha has planned that out beautifully. This is also bathroom number 3. Bedroom number 3. Of course, they got a kitchen on here. This countertop. So this is going to become the master. Of course, we have this atrocity right here. And this atrocity. These steps will have to be removed. Fireplace will have to be reduced. Stages go away. This window, Taisha's gonna get rid of. Make this the closet to the master. This is gonna become master closet. This potentially may be part of the master bath. Of course, Miss Taisha is gonna rearrange this so wonderfully. This is so spooky. It's a wonderful space. This would be bedroom number 4, if possible. But what's gonna make this so grand is all this space here. Potential bedroom, 5. Bathroom number 4. This is a kitchenette. So that used to be a door, but it had stairs going down to the bottom floor. Potential bedroom number 6. But of course you can't count them as bedrooms because they don't have closets. But that's just real estate terms. Overall, this house is going to be 5,000 square feet. And we're going to make this shit work. Can't lose.